Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to compose email in Gmail. So let's say you've recently migrated to your Gmail mobile app and you were really confused about all the functionalities and all the features of this app. And now you really have to send an email. How can you do it? Let me show you. First, open your Gmail app, and on the bottom, you will see a button with a pencil and it says Compose. Click on that, and here you can create and send a new email. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.